I'm Martjie Venter. I'm the first NeuRA Next PhD recipient. I am a PhD candidate here at Neuroscience Research Australia, and I'm also a physiotherapist. I'll be leading research into the implementation of a new treatment for chronic lower back pain called graded sensory motor retraining. This treatment really looks at retraining a person's nervous system, helping them move better and ultimately improving their pain and function. In my clinical work as a physiotherapist, I've seen the long-term impacts of pain, not just on the body but also on people's mental health. People who've been in pain for a long time experience high rates of depression and anxiety. They withdraw from friends and family and their work, which becomes really isolating. So we see quite significant effects of chronic lower back pain, and really there's not enough effective treatments for chronic lower back pain out there in clinical practice, and this is really frustrating for people who are in pain but also for clinicians who want to help them. And this is really what's driven me to research, is to try and create some change there. Treating someone with chronic lower back pain, when you do see that person have improvements after, maybe spending 10 years in pain, that's such an amazing experience to have, to be able to be part of that person's journey. So ultimately working towards more effective lower back pain treatments. When I first heard that I'm going to be the recipient of a PhD Pearl from NeuRA Next, I was super excited, super grateful. It's going to make a huge difference in my studies as a PhD candidate. It will allow me to undergo some further upskilling and training in clinical trials design, which is really essential for testing this new treatment for chronic lower back pain, as well as allowing me to attend conferences where I can disseminate some of these findings, which is a really important part of research. It's a 4-year-long journey where I'm going to be learning lots of different skills, and hopefully I'll be able to apply that to different research questions. So yes, my interest is definitely chronic pain, chronic lower back pain, but there's so many different research questions out there to be answered, and learning the skills to be able to do that is really important to me.